You scored 10 points. So audio round comes to an end. We had slight difficulty playing the audio initially, but we regret the inconvenience. At the end of this audio round, we will now take a look at the scores.
Thank you, sir. After the completion of third round, that is audio clip round, Team A has secured 0 point. Team B secured 0 points. Team C 10 points. Team D 10 points. Team E also 10 points. Finally, after 3 rounds, Team A secured 10 points altogether after 3 rounds. Team B 20 points. Team C 30 points. Team D 10 points. And Team E 40 points. And I request all the students to make use of the time. You can make use of that complete 30 seconds and you can have your answer. Thank you, sir. Over to you, sir, now.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time for us to start our fourth round. Are you ready for the fourth round? All right. The fourth round is your sports and awards round. In this round, you will have 5 questions. For each correct answer, 10 points, 30 seconds to answer your question, no negative points. We begin with Team A. Team A, are you ready for your question in this round?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is your question.
Yes, sir, you can proceed.
Okay. Your question is, which team has won the most number of IPL trophies? Your options are A, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Option B, Rajasthan Royals. Option C, Chennai Super Kings. And option D, Mumbai Indians.
Option D, Mumbai Indians.
Mumbai Indians. Option D. Are you sure about this answer?
Yes, sir.
If you want, you can change your mind. You have time.
No, sir. Mumbai Indians.
All right, computer, tell us if option D, Mumbai Indians, is the right answer. Yes, you're right. Congratulations. You scored 10 points. All right, Team B, are you ready for your question in this round?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let us have your question on the screen. Let us have the question for Team B. Team B, this is your question. Name the first Indian batsman to score a century in every format of the international cricket. Your options are A, Suresh Raina, B, Yuvraj Singh, C, Virat Kohli, and D, Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Option D, Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Option D, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
All right. Computer, let us see if option D is the right answer. Better luck next time. Option A is the right answer. Suresh Raina. All right. We move on to Team C now. Team C, are you ready? All right. Can we have the question, please? Your question is, who was the first Indian to win the Booker Prize? Your options are Dhyan Gopal Mukherjee. Option B, Neeraj C. Chowdhury. Option C, Arundhati Roy. And option D is your Aravind Adiga. Arundhati Roy, option C. Are you sure about this? All right. Computer, tell us option C. Is it the correct answer? Yes, correct. Congratulations. You scored 10. Team D, are you ready for your question in this round?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then here's the question. The question is, when did Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam receive Bharat Ratna Award? Your options are A, in the year 1992, option B, 1997, option C, 1994, and option D, 1998.
Sir, option B, 1997.
1997. Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
All right, computer, let's see if option B, 1997, is the right answer. Yes, correct. Congratulations, you scored 10 points.
Thank you, sir.
All right, now we move on to the final question of this round. The final question goes to Team E. Team E, are you ready for your question?
Yes, sir.
All right. This is the question. Okay, your question is, what is the Dronacharya Award associated with? Your options are A, eminent surgeons, option B, famous artists, option C, sports coaches, and option D, expert engineers.
Uppa, I know the correct answer.
Please give the answer.
Coaches.
Option C.
Option C, sports coaches. Is that your final answer? All right. Computer, tell us if option C is the right answer. Yes, option C is the right answer. Congratulations, you scored 10 points. So with this, we come to the end of round 4, your sports and awards round. Now, we will take a quick look at the scores.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. We are all team members. Now you can have a score on the screen. Team A, after the completion of 4 rounds. Now just I could read only 4th round marks points. Team A secured 10 points. Team B 0 points. Team C 10 points. Team D 10 points. Team E 10 points. And you can have a glance on your total score after the completion of 4 rounds. Team A altogether after 4 rounds 20 points. Team B also 20 points. Team C it's 40 points. Team D 20 points. And Team E is leading with 50 points. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time for us to move on to our fifth round, which is our visual round. In this round, we have 10 questions and 10 points for every correct answer, no negative points, and 30 seconds to answer your question. All right, all of you get ready for this visual round. The first question goes to Team A. Team A, are you ready? Team A, are you ready? I think we have lost connection with Team A. Team A, Aditya Birla Public School.
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you ready for the first question in audiovisual round?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is your visual. Take a closer look.
Yes.
Have you seen it? The question is, to which country does this flag belong? Your options are A, India, B, Russia, C, Canada, and D, China.
So C, Canada.
C, Canada. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir, sure.
Congratulations, you scored 10 points. Correct answer. Team B now. Are you ready for your visual? All right. Then take a look at your visual on the screen. Here it comes. Identify the author known for his children's literature in India. Your options are A, Ruskin Bond, option B, V.S. Naipaul, option C, Salman Rushdie, and option D, Chetan Bhagat.
Option C. Salman.
Sure about this? You still have 15 seconds left. You can change your decision if you like.
No, sir.
You want to go with C, Salman Rushdie? Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, computer, tell us if option C, Salman Rushdie, is the right answer. No, my dear. Option A, Ruskin Bond, is the right answer. Team C, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Here's your visual. The question is, who is this great personality? Where did she start Vimal Hriday, a hospice for the sick and the poor? Your options are option A, Annie Besant, Kolkata. Option B, Mother Teresa, Kolkata. Option C, Mother Teresa, Mumbai. And option D, Sudha Murthy, Bengaluru. Option number B, Mother Teresa, Kolkata. All right. Computer, tell us if option B is the right answer. Congratulations, you scored 10 points. Team D, are you ready for your question in this round?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Here's your video. Take a look at this logo and you tell us To which international organization does this logo belong? Your options are A. United Nations Organization, UNO. Option B, UNICEF. Option C, UNESCO. And option D, WHO. Time is ticking away. You have to make your choice quickly.
Option B, sir. UNICEF, sir. Sir, option C, sir. Sir, wait. So option B.
Time up, time up, time up. So just before the time got over, you said option C. Is that right? Do you want to go with that? All right, let us see the answer. Option D, it would have been wrong. Option D, World Health Organization. All right. The next question is for Team E. Team E, are you ready? All right. Here's the visual. The question is, identify the fort and name the city where it is located. Your options are A. Hawa Mahal, Jaipur. Option B, Red Fort, New Delhi. Option C, Mysore Palace, Mysore. And option D, Jaisalmer Fort, Jaisalmer.
Option A, Apartment Jaipur.
Hawa Mahal, Jaipur. Are you sure about your answer? All right, computer, tell us if option A is the right answer. Congratulations, you scored 10 points. We have one more set of questions left in this round, so we go to Team A once again. Team A, are you ready for your visual? Team A, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, here's your visual.
No, on. No speaker. It will come. Okay, I'm just
Your question is
live.
to identify this famous temple. Your options are A, Sun Temple. Option B, Golden Temple. Option C, Meenakshi Temple. And option D, Jagannath Temple.
So B, Golden Temple.
B, Golden Temple. Are you sure about this?
Yes.
All right. Computer, tell us if option B is the right answer. Yes, congratulations. You scored 10. TV, are you ready? All right. Can we have the visual for Team B? All right. This is your question. Look at the personality very closely.
Well,
You have to identify the Indian author who's won the Padma Bhushan, I beg your pardon, in 2014. Your options are A, Jhupalai. Option B is Arundhati Roy. Option C is Maheshweta Devi. And option D is your Anita Desai.
otherwise they leave with say we are not SD1 plus problem.
You have to make your choice very quickly. Time is ticking away.
Option B, Arundhati Roy.
Option B, Arundhati Roy. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
All right, computer, tell us if option B is the right answer. No, option D is the right answer. Anita Desai. Now, Team C, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, can we have the visuals for Team C? Your question is to identify this plant species. Your options are A, touch me not. Option B, onion sipa. Option C, tamarind. And option D, helianthus. You have 30 seconds to answer. Option A, touch me not. Are you sure about this? All right then. Computer, tell us option A. Is it correct? Absolutely correct. 10 points to Team C. Team D, are you ready for your visual? Team D?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Here's your visual. You have to identify the personality in the picture and name his autobiography. Your options are A, Jawaharlal Nehru and Discovery of India. Option B, APJ Abdul Kalam and Wings of Fire. Option C, Kapil Dev and his biography. And D, Nelson Mandela, Long War, Freedom.
Sir, option B, APJ Abdul Kalam, Wings of Fire, sir.
APJ Abdul Kalam, Wings of Fire. Are you sure about this?
Sure, sir.
All right, computer, tell us if option B is the right answer.
By some 20.
Yes, option B is the right answer. Congratulations, you scored 10 points.
Thank you, sir.
The last and the final question of this visual round. And this question goes to Team E. Team E, are you ready for your visuals? All right, here's your visual. You have to take a look at the right and say the campaign for which this logo is used. The options are A, National Tiger Conservation Authority. Option B, Aadhaar. Option C, Make in India. And option D, World Wildlife Fund. Option C, Make in India. Are you sure about this? All right, computer, tell us if option C is the right answer. Congratulations, absolutely right. You scored 10 points. And with this question, we come to the end of round number 5. Now, before we move on to round 6, we will have a look at the scores.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. All the viewers, now you can have once again a glance on your score sheet. So Team A, after completion of 5th round, Team A secured 20 points. I could able to read round 5 score. So in that 5th round, Team A secured 20 points, Team B secured 10 points, Team C secured 20 points, Team D secured 10 points, and Team E secured 20 points. And if we have a glance on The total score till the end of fifth round. We can see here. We could see the scores here.
Leading by
Team
10
A
points.
scored
Leading by 10
40
points.
points. Team B score is 30 points. Team C score is 60 points. Team D score is 30 points. And the last team E score is 70 points. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. Now we come to the last and the final round of today's competition, and
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
this round,
Mirajuddin, sir. Yeah, we have a break for 5 to 10 minutes. So if you could please just wait, sir. I'll get back to you. Sir, we can have. We'll continue, sir. Mirajuddin, sir. Sorry. Mirajuddin, sir.
Just call him up.
No, after this competition of competition, because we have a break now. Why break now? What competition everything over the next? Please don't say anything. That is after the now. Then we have said only first year. Sir, after this complete competition break for senior.
No, madam said after this round, 15 minutes break only. Then why she is interfering simply? We all said with the formalities. Correct, madam. We all said with all the formalities, and she came and informed to give 15 minutes back, so I have told her. You did
No problem. Now, we first course, I will the timer, I will interrupt and then stop. 2 minutes over. I will tell you.
Just wait, let him come back.
God, simply sir, wait up. Children also are doing now.
I think it's fine now.
Then why she has to interfere?
Okay, sir. She said after.
We are all set with our formalities, na?
Not rounds. She has to take after this competition. She might rounds.
She said after this round.
It's okay, sir. We know our things, sir. Why did you take?
No. Now, see, other schools will get negative.
Now just go and take rehearsal to start. Because sir,
How is
immediately
it?
we have to see.
It was going right smoothly. There was no issue, and we have made it like now.
Break finalizing, so the break is happening.
Actually, sir, it was communicated wrong.
Yeah,
No,
I got
madam, no,
that.
madam should say after competition. She told after round, so sir got that point that after round.
So the last round
But he
is
should convey us know that we are stopping it. Then after stopping, there only directly declare on the line.
so one round, just one round is continuing.
That was very important to take it continue. Now, continuity is not.
So after today, the next competition is starting.
Competition for seniors.
Oh, the quiz part
Participants
first.
will change.
I was just thinking, why 15 minutes break?
And it shouldn't be like that.
There has to be continuity.
Even sir, before speaking, he should tell me, he should think also why am I taking break. At least he should ask me.
You just follow the instructions blindly. So the break is happening now, right?
No, sir, not happening. Immediately we start. We have to judgment.
You wanted a break, so just happened.
I request the participants and esteemed principals to hold on for a second. We'll get back to you.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, this is not a break actually. We have a technical issue over here, ma'am. थोड़ा सा cover कर दीजिए. हाँ वही. Yes. It is not a break, ma'am. After the competition, no, actually, sir said participants have gone to see
We are really sorry, there's a technical issue which has popped up all of a sudden. Please hold on for a second, we'll get back to you. Thank you for your patience.
that's the washroom there. सर आप भी पीपीटी क्यों बोले सर आप एक बार मुझे तो कंफर्म कर लेते ना आप डायरेक्टली इसके बाद इसका मतलब है हाँ भाई यू शुड सर नाउ मेरा सर कम सीट और नॉट इट्स ओके सर इट्स ओके
We are trying to do it in a proper way. They are interrupting. What shall I do? That's why I am here. They are managing from there, so I felt it's okay.
सर क्यों भाग गए इमीडिएटली बोलते भाग गए सर
Yeah, it was like I was waiting for my break.
बोलते भाग गए एक सेकंड भी नहीं लगा उनको भागने में इवन वी डिड नॉट टेक ट्वाइस
Why should I take break? No, obviously it's a pressure. Just I'm following the instructions, madam. She's coming and saying that, so that's what people.
Confirm with two people now onwards, sir. Don't immediately follow those instructions. Please. Until principal sir tells we should not follow.
Now it's a good lesson to me. Now directly I will have a communication with principal sir only.
Yes.
Here and there.
Make a call and ask. That's
Directly.
because everything is going over the internet.
Because this is compared to us, sir will get more work.
He was going for searching Miras sir. I think he was.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's not like a very big break. Ultimately, you will have to good. It's fine. These things happen.
It's a technical issue just now. But Miras sir should have gone. And then चला गया तो सर Miras sir has not done it.
No, he will join. He will join.
We are ready, sir. Sir, I will keep my mic on. Sir, Sharan sir. Okay. Sachi ma'am, ABPS is waiting and they will ask something like this. Please connect. Okay, I will.
The team has answered.
Okay, give me a
Questions. We can check the electricity.
क्या हुआ सर? What is the problem? Come here, sir. Sir, Deepak sir, you can come here. हाँ. There only. You come here. आप अपना करो, वो अपना करेंगे. हाँ नहीं मुझे but no communication please.
All the attention of all the groups are sent to be present. All right, participants, the brief interval is over. I want all the participants to be back at the desks. We're going to start the last and the final round very soon. I want all the participants to get back. Is Team A there? Team A? Are you back from the break? Team A? Team B, I can see. Team B has joined. Team C is there. Team D, they're there. And Team E. Okay, Team A has joined as well. Okay, now let me take you to the last and the final round of this quiz competition. I told you earlier, this final round can turn everything over. The team leading might end up losing, and the team losing can end up winning, because this round has 150 points. 150 points. There are 15 questions, and these 15 questions will have to be answered in 2 minutes' time. This round is called rapid fire round, and there are no negative points in this round. But you will have to choose one speaker from each team to answer all 15 questions. You can discuss, but you can nominate only one speaker. Team B wouldn't have much difficulty because there are no other participants to consult with, so she's going to be the speaker herself. But for other teams, decide who's going to be your team leader. Team A, are you ready?
Yes.
All right. So let me tell you once more. There are 15 questions. These 15 questions will have to be answered in 2 minutes' time. If you don't answer, then that's your loss. And each correct answer will fetch you 10 points. And there are no negative points. Yes, Team C. Yes, please, go ahead. Please use your microphone so that I can hear you clearly. Okay, if the time is left, you can come back to the question.
No, sir, you cannot come back, sir. Once the question is asked, you cannot come back to the question.
Ma'am, just a moment. If they have time to spare, 2 minutes.
Still no. Still we cannot come back to the question, sir. Once the question is passed, that is passed. Still the time is there, then also we can't come. Both the time will be there. This is the rule, sir.
I clear it more that whichever comes first, sir. Whether 8 questions finished first or 2 minutes finished first will be the end. If 15 questions finished before 2 minutes, that's the end. If 2 minutes going to finish first before 15 questions, that's the end.
No coming back.
All right. Team A, are you ready? Is the doubt clear, Team C?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here we go. Team A. First question. Which plant is losing its atmosphere at faster rate than the Earth?
Repeat. Repeat. Pass. Pass.
Number 2. In which continent scientists have found particles of rare isotopes of iron?
Europe.
Repeat your answer.
Europe.
Incorrect. What is a liquid mixture of complex hydrocarbon compounds called?
Pass.
According to the researchers, the first ever stable ring of pure carbon consists of how many atoms?
Pass.
Which space agency has discovered the first nearby super Earth?
We can't hear, sir. We can't hear, sir.
You can't hear. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
All right. You're losing time though. Which space agency has discovered the first nearby super Earth? NASA, correct? Name the coach who has received the Dronacharya Award for archery in the lifetime category in the recently announced National Sports Award 2020. The Jog Falls, located in Karnataka, is one of the highest plunge waterfalls in India. Which river creates Jog Falls?
Time up, sir.
All right, your time is up. In 2 minutes' time, you could answer how many questions? Do you know?
Sharon, sir.
Yes, sir. For this sixth round, rapid fire round, Team A has answered only one correct answer. So they have scored 10 points for this round. Over to you, sir.
Now we move on to Team B. Team B, are you ready for your rapid fire round?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get started. Your time starts now. What is the capital city of Meghalaya?
Pass.
Pass. Who is known as the father of plastic surgery?
Pass, sir.
In which year Sachin Tendulkar received Bharat Ratna Award?
2014.
Correct. What is scientific name of onion?
Pass.
Where is the headquarters of ISRO?
NASA. America.
Incorrect. Which microorganism acts as a biological indicator for the sulfur dioxide pollution?
Pass.
What is the height of Mount Everest?
Pass.
Which ministry has undertaken the national mission for a green India?
Pass.
Who said man is by nature a political animal?
Pass.
Srinagar is located at the bank of which river?
Krishna.
Incorrect. Who is the Speaker of Lok Sabha at present?
Pass.
What is the capital of Nepal?
Nepal. Kathmandu.
Correct. Give the full form of SAARC. SARC.
Pass. Pass.
Nagarjun Sagar Dam is constructed to which river?
Pass.
Time up, sir.
Okay, your time is up. You could answer how many questions that you will find out.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. So rapid six round, that is round 6. Team B has given 2 correct answer. They have scored 20 points from the 6th round, that is rapid fire round. Over to you, sir.
All right, thank you. Now we move on to Team C. Team C, are you ready? All right. You cannot come back to the question that you pass. All right. That is the rule. Remember that. If you are ready, let me know. We'll start the question. Ready? Shall we start? All right.
Sir, I am sorry to interrupt, sir.
Your time starts now. Where is the International Court of Justice located? Pass. Who was the first Indian to win the World Amateur Billiards title? Pass. Jude Felix is famous Indian player, belongs to which of the sports fields? Jude Felix.
Badminton. Next question, sir.
Pass. Casey Roy Award is given to which field?
Science.
Incorrect. Digital Gold scheme was launched by which company?
TCS Tata.
Repeat your answer. Digital Gold scheme.
India.
Incorrect. In which year did the Battle of Plassey take place? In which year did the Battle of Plassey take place?
Confirm with principals. How many minutes break? You will take your exam.
Incorrect. Which planet is nearest to the Earth?
Venus.
Venus, correct. What is the full form of IMF?
International Monetary Fund.
Correct. How many zeros are there in 100,000?
6.
Incorrect. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent?
Africa.
Sir,
Time up, time up. Okay. You could answer how many correct and how many incorrect. Let us know.
so you will tell that. Not you.
Thank you, sir. So after the sixth round, that is a rapid fire round, Team C able to manage with the three correct answers. So from these the three correct answers, C has secured 30 points from this rapid fire round. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Now it's time for Team D. Team D, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
All right. So your round starts now. The first question. Which metal forms an amalgam with other metals?
Pass, sir.
Pass. Which is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Correct. Which day is observed as World Literacy Day?
Pass, sir.
Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Pass.
Who discovered penicillin in 1928?
Pass.
When is UN Day celebrated?
Pass.
What is the capital city of Peru? Which disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D?
Pass.
Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India?
Pass.
Which animal is featured on the logo of the car manufacturer Porsche?
Pass.
Who won the Global Teacher Award in December 2020?
Pass.
When do we celebrate the World Soil Day?
Pass.
How many members does the Lok Sabha have?
752.
Incorrect. Name the satellite launched by the ISRO in the year 2020.
Sir, repeat the question.
Name the satellite launched by the ISRO in the year 2020.
Time up, sir.
Time up. Let us know how many you could answer.
Thank you, sir. After the last, that is round 6, rapid fire round, Team D is able to manage with only one correct answer. So they have scored 10 points after the rapid fire round. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
All right, Team E. Who's going to answer the question in the rapid fire round? All right. Can you hear me clearly? Can you speak something in your mic so that I can hear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you ready? Let's start. Your time starts now. Question number 1. Who wrote the book Godan?
Pass.
To which field the Saraswati Samman is given annually?
Teaching.
Incorrect. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed?
Odometer.
Incorrect. Which is the largest growing crop of Darjeeling?
Pass, sir. Pass,
Who
sir.
is the founder of Microsoft? Who is the founder of Microsoft?
Bill Gates, sir. Bill Gates.
Correct. Which is the largest plateau in the world?
Which is the largest?
Plateau in the world.
Plateau. Tibetan plateau.
Tibetan plateau. Correct. Which gas is used in the electric bulb? Name the gas used in the electric bulb.
Helium.
Incorrect. Which of the Indian Nobel Prize winner gave the theory of developed economy? Who was the first ODI captain of India?
Repeat, sir.
Who was the first ODI captain of India?
Pass, sir.
Who composed the national song of India?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Incorrect. The percentage of pure gold is 18 karat gold. What is the percentage of pure gold in 18 karat gold?
70.
The percentage
18%.
in 18 karat gold, what is the percent of gold?
18.
So time up, sir.
Okay, time up. Let us have the scores, please.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. After 6th round, that is rapid fire round, Team E could able to manage with only 2 correct answers. Then, with these 2 correct answers, they are able to score 20 marks. Over to you, sir.
So with this, we come to the end of today's debate competition. I would like to thank all the participants for having taken the trouble to participate in this competition. I want to congratulate all of you. All of you were very good. Congratulations to you all. And I would also like to congratulate the...
Please hold on for a minute. Please hold on for a minute, sir.
The final score has to be declared.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We'll present the final score, sir. Yeah. Here we have presented the final score of all the teams A, B, C, D, E after the completion of all the 6 rounds. And we have Team A, the final grand total 50 marks, 50 points. Team B is able to manage with 50 points. Team C has secured 90 points. Team D has secured 40 points and Team E secured 90 points. We have two teams, C and A, which are able to manage with 90 points. Over to you, Miras.
So after the final scores, it looks like there is a tie between two teams. Team C and Team E. So in order to have a result in today's competition, we are going to have a tiebreaker round. Tiebreaker round in which I am going to give I'm going to give you 5 questions and you have to answer these in 30 seconds time. 30 seconds time. All right? Are you ready? So my first question goes to team C. Mind you, this is a tiebreaker round. You have 5 questions to answer in 30 seconds. Each question carries 10 points. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here we go. The first one. Your time starts now. Who was the first Indian to go into space?
Rakesh Sharma.
Correct. Name the chairman of the selection committee of the National Sports Awards 2020.
Pass.
Who was the first Indian woman to win the Miss World title?
Pass.
Who invented X-ray?
Time up.
Time up. Your 30 seconds are over.
6 seconds.
Let us see the score. How many answers you can? How many questions you could answer correctly? Let's see the scores. Can we have the scores, please?
Yes, sir, sure. See, Team C able to manage with only one correct answer. So 10 points have been added to their total, and it was 90. Now it became 100. So one correct answer, 10 points, total 100. Go to you, sir.
Now we go to Team E. Team E, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. There should be only one speaker, mind you. I cannot accept 2 people speaking at the same time. So who's going to speak? Decide.
I will speak.
All right. Fine then. You have 30 seconds and 5 questions to answer in 30 seconds. Your time starts now. What is the full form of UNESCO?
Pass.
Sir, United National Scientific.
Next question. Hirakud Dam is built for River India. Okay. For which river Hirakud Dam is built?
Sir,
Time up.
Time up. Team E could not answer a single question in this round.
I told Satlaj.
I told you at the start, one speaker will speak and only one speaker's answer will be accepted. And that had to be decided. Anyway, we have come to the end of today's competition. It was a very closely fought battle between Team C and Team E.
No, but Niharika was not the speaker. They selected Utpa as a speaker.
So, as the score stands, we can see the clear winners for today's quiz competition. Let us have the final scores, please.
When it was told clearly, they should.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, once we can have a clear glance on the complete score sheet, once again I would like to repeat with Team A. Already it was told to you all, Team A is able to manage with 50 points, Team B 50 points, Team D 40 points, Team E 90 points, and the winner of this quiz competition super seniors category is Team C sir, with 100 points. Over to you, sir. So congratulations to the team C.
Sachi, you do the closing for the super senior, and then we announce teams for the seniors to get ready.
Sure, sir.
Team C, which
My hearty congratulations to Team C. You're the winner for the Super Senior category. Now I request upon the schools to get ready with the senior candidates so that we can start the
But the
competition
way of
soon.
representing is also very much
Thank you.
important. I am not sure that I am always perfect.
Please get ready with your
Every
senior
time I
candidates
used to
quickly
commit
so
the
that we can
mistakes.
start the competition soon.
I don't see. Being an in charge, you believe it or not?
See, from our end, Niharika told wrong. Correct answer, but she did not tell that she will speak also.
Answer was wrong. It was not surplused.
don't accept the answer. It's not our mistake that she could not hear. We set the rule for even the previous round. It was wrong for us. No,
No, it's declared. Please, please. Yeah.
For next round, we should be very clear, sir, only one.
Yeah, all the three are here.
But still,
We are able to listen clearly.
I didn't say anything.
score sheet, our review. Separate one is there. इसको सेव करके close कर दो, नहीं तो SS. Let me start with the next.
We will talk the same thing and with this.
Now you start.
Yes, ma'am. When we speak seniority, they are there, ma'am. You just continue with them. They were sitting in the
Charging always.
one minute, I'll ask them. Sir, NPS senior participants are there.
Worried about.
They are there?
People don't charge.
Super.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, ma'am, they are there. Sir, madam, give me 2 minutes to because I'm not ready.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Please give me 2 minutes. Yes, yes. Ma'am, 1 o'clock, ma'am, sir. Can we start? 1 o'clock. It's 25.
Please mute your phone.
Okay, then just 3 minutes at least.
Total also.
Oh, okay.
This is yes.
I request the candidates to get ready and keep your cameras on.
was a tie round, sir. So that showed pretty.
Hello.
Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Only we can have so much to see.
I repeat, I request the candidates to get ready quickly. Senior category candidates, please get ready quickly.
Those who have logged in with the name Amina Khan, is it Millennium School?
Bacchus, I think so.
Bacchus. Beta, could you turn your camera so that we can see you straight?
Yes.
Yes, that is better. And a little backward, can you move little back?
Little bit.
We can see you full. Right, right. You speak so that we'll check the audio.
Say
Myself say that
loudly.
myself say that the back.
Okay, better. Okay, good, good. That's fine. That's fine. That's better. When you speak, you have to speak little loud. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll start. Give instructions when it comes to tie round. Instead of having some set of questions, why don't we can have only one question and who gives the correct answer and it will be considered as
Both give again second question we have got. Suppose that this is correct from the five questions that we have got. Correct answer. Both give correct answer.
let it.
Waiting for that.
अरे चाय बिस्किट के लिए बोला था यार मैम आए चाय बिस्किट आए गलत
Anil sir, there is that ABPS principal has raised a hand. Could you please lower it?
Time. I have seen it from long time. That's not from now. By mistakenly, it has been done, I think. Yes, true. See, maybe ready?
Are the candidates ready? Aditya Birla Public School, please raise your hand if you are ready. Okay. Cambridge School, Barker's Public School, Millennium School, are the candidates ready? National Public School, please raise your hand if you are ready. Okay then. I request ABPS team to please mute themselves. Kindly give us some more time. Thank you. Kindly give us some more time. We'll get back to you. Oh my God. Then I have 8 questions. 8 questions. For everything, we have 5 questions. For the senior category, we'll be having only 4 teams. Team A will be Aditya Birla Public School. Please raise your hand if you can hear me. Team A, Aditya Birla Public School. Team B, Barker's Public School. Please raise your hand if you can hear me. Team B, Barker's Public School. Team C, Millennium Public School. Team C, Millennium Public School. And Team D will be National Public School. We have given you teams according to your alphabetic order. Our presentation is
stop the presentation and go to shift to next one.
Yes. No, I should stop the speech.
No, I said that to bring the already.
But you have to be able to alert background and all that.
Then that's just really from sir. First thing, sir. From that only 4 teams are there. Otherwise, every time you could discuss the next question.
Okay. I'll call you.
Main person should bring forward, sir.
One more day. Sir, you will be muted, right? But you will be speaking. They will not listen. So, whatever you communicate, it will be all in that.
They should have done like
No, we can put it in.
but it will be disturbance from them, because we are sir, when I sat beside him, he was not listening what I was saying. So that kind of
For him, I think this is one that is actually high. Others will
yes,
not
ma'am.
be.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready, but the thing is that you inform me as the case.
I'm telling.
Show us so that only 4 participants.
This always is displayed, but we can't get rid of this.
No, no, sir. We can do this full screen. That's it.
Yeah.
Or
Not
else
too many controls in
it will come like this. Keep this.
it. All the participants. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is all.
No.
Miraj sir,
And once he becomes full screen, these people size will
Good afternoon, children.
Miraj sir,
Now we are
sir,
ready to start.
sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are 4 teams this time, sir. Aditya Birla
Yes, ma'am.
School will be team A,
Sharan sir, ready?
Marcus Public School will be team B,
Sharan sir,
Millennium School will be team C, National Public School will be team D.
Shakuntala ma'am.
Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. Let us get introduced to the participants. Team A. Participants, please introduce yourself to the audience. Team A.
In Zoom it happens. Yeah. Now they are updating so many things like raising hands, and still they don't have this muting every. That's very horrible. They can unmute the host control. Yeah. They can unmute them.
Team B. Introduce yourself, please, to the audience.
Myself, Mohammed Tayyazkar, class 7th.
Yeah.
Myself, Rashid Talha, from class 5, Baqas Public School.
You had made a.
Myself, Sayyid Adiba, from class 6, Baqas Public School.
Team C. Introduce yourself, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Saraswati Shantappa Mulge. I am from 7th standard. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Sneha SS from 7th standard. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Bhagyashri.
All right. Now we move on to Team D. Team D. Introduce yourself to the audience, please.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Karan and I am studying in class 7. Good afternoon, sir. I am Niharika and I am studying in class 7, senior category.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Fahad.
That's a big thing, sir. It's like our political parties.
All right. Team A, Team B, Team C, and Team B. Are you all ready for today's quiz competition?
Yeah.
Let me hear it. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Let's get started. Let me tell you about the rounds today. Our quiz competition has 6 rounds. Round number 1 is your general knowledge round. In this round, you're going to get 10 questions, or 8 questions. Each team will get 2 questions to answer. If you get a question correct, if you get the correct answer, you score 10 points. You will have 30 seconds to answer the question. These questions are non-transferable. The questions cannot pass. So if you are ready, we can start with round one, which is your general knowledge round. Team A, are you ready?
This will come. In a whole screen.
All right, Team
That will
A.
happen. Not you can't have only 8 people
In
and
general knowledge round,
No,
your first question is going to be displayed
What do
shortly.
I do with this later? We can change the layout. For example, we can go here and we can change the layout. See, sir, now change the layout. And this is the minimum.
I'm sorry to interrupt, sir, but the candidates from the name Aminat Khan are not quite audible. Sorry, they're not quite visible, sir. They are requested to keep their phone horizontally. All three of them are not quite visible.
All right, Team A, here's your question.
Now I'll keep it at the full screen.
Your question is, which one of the following is not an online payment mode? Your options are A, cash on delivery,
There's a 15-second
option
lag.
B, debit card, option C, credit card, and option D, e-check. You have 30 seconds to answer this question. Option A, cash on delivery. Are you sure about your answer?
Yes, sir.
All right. Computer, let us know if option A is the right answer.
Yeah, sure. Software called
Yeah, no problem.
Computer, let us know if option A is the right answer, please. I regret the inconvenience. There has been some technical issue that we need to address. Be patient.
Sir, it is the right answer, sir. I have
Cash
displayed
on
it.
delivery is the right answer. Congratulations, Team A, you scored 10 points. Now, we will move on to Team D. Team D, are you ready? All right, your question will be displayed on the screen shortly. The question is, name the organ that produces a fluid called bile. Your options are A, liver, B, pancreas, C, gallbladder, and option D, kidney. You have 30 seconds to answer your question, Team D.
Answer D, kidney, sir. Kidney. Answer D.
Kidney. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
All right, computer. Let us know if answer D is the right answer. I'm afraid it's not the right answer. The correct answer is liver. Now we move on to Team C. Team C, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here's your question. You have to name the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Your options are A. Deshpur, B. Kohima, C. Itanagar, and D. Agartala.
Sir, C. Itanagar.
C. Itanagar. Are you sure about your response?
Yes, sir.
Alright, computer, tell us if option C is the right answer. Yes, congratulations. You scored 10 points. Now we come to Team D for their first question in this round. Team D, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, take a look at the screen. Here is your question. The question is, the name of which scientist is expressed as a unit of force? Your options are Armstrong, Fermi, Newton, and Tesla. You have 30 seconds.
Sir, option C, Newton.
Option C, Newton. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
Alright, computer, tell us if option C is the right answer. Yes, option C is the right answer. No?
No, sir, no.
What is the right answer?
Option B.
Option B is the right answer. Fully. Okay, congratulations, Team D. You scored 10 points. Now, let us go back to Team A once again for their second question in this round. Team A, are you ready for your second question in this round? Team A, this question is for you. Which one of the following has the maximum density? Your options are A. Chloroform, option B. Benzene, option C. Water, and option D. Ice. Option D, ice. Option D, ice. Are you sure about this? Yes. Alright, computer, tell us if option D is the right answer. No, option C. Water is the right answer. Now we go to Team B for their second question in round 1. Team B, are you ready? Alright, here's your question. The question is, who won the US Open men's title in 2019? A. Roger Federer, B. Novak Djokovic, C. Daniel Medvedev, and D. Rafael Nadal.
Option B.
Option B, Novak Djokovic. Are you sure about your answer?
Yes, sir.
Alright, computer, let us know if option B is the right answer. No, the correct answer is Rafael Nadal. Now we move on to Team C for their second question in this round. Team C, are you ready? Here is your question. The question is, when do we observe Human Rights Day? Your options are December 10, option B, December 14, option C, December 25, and option D, December 28.
Option A.
Option A, that means December 10. Are you sure about your answer?
Yes, sir.
All right, computer. Option A is the right answer. Yes, correct. Congratulations, you scored 10 points. So with this, we come to the end of round 1, general knowledge round, and we will have a quick look at the score at the end of this round.
One more question.
Team D. Team D.
Sir, team G,
Yeah, team D should be answered. No? Ma'am, please tell sir that team D is remaining.
Sir, did we ask team D?
I beg your pardon?
We have to ask, sir.
A great error. Team C, Team D. I skipped the question. Team D, are you ready for the question?
Yes, sir.
All right, so here's your question. Who is the father of English poetry? Your options are John Milton, option B, Geoffrey Chaucer, option C, William Wordsworth, and option D, Charles Dickens.
Sir,
D. Option
William Wordsworth.
William Wordsworth. Are you sure about your answer?
Yes, sir.
All right, computer, tell us if option C is the right answer. No, the correct answer is option B, Geoffrey Chaucer. So with this, we come to the end of round 1. Each of the team have got 2 questions to answer. Now we will take a look at the scores, please.
Thank you, sir. After first round, team A is able to manage with 10 points. Team B, 0 marks, 0 points. Team C, 20 points. And Team D, 10 points. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Sir, Sharan sir. Sir.
Sir.
Now we are ready for round 2. Let us get ready. Team A, let's begin round 2. Round 2 is going to have a sports round or scientist round, super scientist round. In this round, we will have 4 questions in total. Each team is going to get 1 question each to answer. 10 points for every correct answer, 30 seconds to answer every question. The questions are non-transferable, they cannot be transferred. So first question goes to team A in this round, super scientist round. Team A, are you ready? Take a look at the question. All right. Your question in this round is, which country has developed Which country has developed the world's first floating nuclear plant? Your options are A. India, option B, China, option C, USA, and option D, Russia. Team A. Take your time if you like. Option B, China. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
All right, computer. Let's see if option B is the right answer.
Ma'am, the answer is showing. It's Russia.
No. I think Russia, option D is the right answer.
Yes. Yeah, it is showing.
Let's move on. Team B, are you ready for your question in this round?
Yes, sir.
All right, Team B. This is your question. The question is, from which country was the first satellite Aryabhatta launched? And the options are A. Soviet Union, America, C. India, and D. Israel. Time is ticking. Option C, India. Is that what you said? Option C, India. Computer, tell us if option C, India is the right answer. No, that would be wrong. The correct answer is Soviet Union. All right, we move on to Team C in this round. Team C, are you ready for your question?
Yes, sir.
All right, Team C, here is your question. All right, the question is, who is known as the father of Indian nuclear program? The options are APJ Abdul Kalam, option B, Raja Ramanna, option C, Homi J. Bhabha, and option D, Vikram Sarabhai.
Option C.
Option C, Homi J. Bhabha. Is that your answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, computer, tell us if option C is the right answer. Yes, congratulations, that's the right answer. You scored 10 points. All right, Team D, are you ready? All right, this is your question in this round. Your question in this round is, name the largest endocrine gland in the human body. Your options are A, pituitary, option B, parathyroid, option C, adrenal, and option D, thyroid.
Sir, option B, Parathroid.
Okay, parathyroid. Computer, let's see if option B is the right answer. No, correct answer would be thyroid, option D. So with this, we come to the end of round 2. And before we move on to the next one, let us check the scores.
Yeah. By the end of second round, in second round, Team A has secured 0 point, Team B secured 0 point, Team C secured 10 points, and Team D secured 10 points. What do you say?
Now, let us move on to our third round. I hope all of you are ready for your third round. Team A, are you ready for the third round? All right. In third round, you will hear some audio. After listening to the audio, you will have to identify the person in the audio. If you are able to identify the person successfully, you score 10 points. You get 30 seconds time to answer the question, and there is no negative mark. The first question goes to Team A. Listen to the audio very carefully.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes.
It's not audible, madam.
Madam, you are muted.
In fact, they were acting like they already knew what the outcome was going to be. They had it covered, and perhaps they did, very sadly for our country.
All right, you just heard someone speaking in the audio. What you have to do is you have to identify the person in the audio. Your options are option A, Mr. Barack Obama, option B, Mr. Nelson Mandela, option C, Vladimir Putin, and option D, Mr. Donald Trump.
It's option B, Mr. Barack.
It's option D, Mr. Donald Trump. Are you sure about your answer?
Yes, sir.
All right. Computer, let's see if option D, Donald Trump, is the right answer. Congratulations. Donald Trump is the right answer. You scored 10 points. Now we go to Team B, and this is your audio. Listen very carefully.
How to make the heterogeneous mess that we have today. Take a decision in common and march in a cooperative way on that road which is bound to lead us to unity. Our difficulty is not with regard to the ultimate. Our difficulty is with regard to the beginning. Mr. Chairman, therefore, I should have thought that in order to make a start, in order to induce every party, every section in this country, it would be
You just heard a person speaking in the audio. Now you have to tell us who's this person. Option A.
how to make the heterogeneous mess.
Option A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Option B. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Option C. Sardar Patel. And option D. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes. Team B, answer loudly. You cannot be heard. The time?
Option B. Option B, sir.
B. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
Yes.
You sure? All right. Computer, let us see if B is the right answer. Congratulations, that's the right answer. You scored 10 points. Now in the audio round, it's time for Team C to get their audio. Team C, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, listen to this audio very carefully.
हमारे भारतीय सेना के जवानों को मैं प्रणाम करती हूँ और मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं भी उनकी बहन हूँ जो उनको बहुत बहुत चाहती हूँ और बहुत इज्जत करती हूँ.
All right. You just heard someone speaking in the audio. You have to tell us who is this personality. Your options are A. Asha Bhosle. Option B. Asha Parekh. Option C. Lata Mangeshkar. And option D. Alka Yagnik.
Sir, option C.
Option C. Lata Mangeshkar.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure about your answer?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll see. Computer, tell us option C, Lata Mangeshkar. Is it the correct answer? Yes, congratulations, Team C. You scored 10 points. All right, now it's time for Team D. Team D, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, here's your audio. Listen carefully.
Behind it, maybe people like the way I used to willow, and I like so many. Sunil Gavaskar was my hero, Vivian Richards was my hero, and they continue to be my heroes, and that's why I started playing cricket.
Okay. Could you hear the audio properly?
Yes, sir.
All right, now identify the person in the audio. Your options are A. Virat Kohli, B. Suresh Raina, C. Anil Kumble, and D. Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, speak out your answer loudly.
Sir, option C, Anil Kumble.
Option C, Anil Kumble. Are you sure about your answer? You still have 10 seconds left. You can change your mind if you wish.
Sir, Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar. Is Sachin Tendulkar your final answer?
Yes, sir.
All right, computer. Tell us if Sachin Tendulkar is the right answer. Congratulations, Team D. You scored 10 points. If you had gone with Anil Kundri, your answer would have been wrong.
Yes, sir.
Alright. With this, we come to the end of round 3, which was our audio round. Now, at the end of this round, we will take a look at the scores.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Dear all participants, you can have a glance on your score sheet. After third round, Team A could able to manage with 10 points. Team B has secured 10 points from this round 3. Team C 10 points. Team D also 10 points. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. Now, after 3 rounds, you just saw the scores. Now, time for us to move on to our 4th round. 4th round is our sports and awards round. In this round, we are going to get 4 questions. Each team will get 1 question. 10 points for every question. 30 seconds to answer your question. And the questions are non-transferable. The question will not be passed. And there are no negative points.
Yeah,
Let's begin.
Yeah, we got that.
The first question goes to Team A. Are you ready for it? Here is your question.
I should face.
Your question is, which Indian cricketer received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2020? Your options are A. Rohit Sharma, option B. Sachin Tendulkar, option C. Virat Kohli, and option D. None of these. Option A. Rohit Sharma. Are you sure about your answer?
Yes.
Alright. Computer, tell us if option A is the right answer. Congratulations, Team A. You scored 10 points. Rohit Sharma is indeed the right answer. Team B, are you ready for your question this round? Alright. Here's your question. Whose birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in India? Your options are A. Major Dhyan Chand Singh, option B. P.T. Usha, option C. Sachin Tendulkar, and option D. None of these.
I installed new torrent and this Avast. It is actually yeah. Otherwise, correct.
Are you going? You're beginning with A? Alright. Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
Alright, computer. A. Major Dhyan Chand Singh. Is it the right answer? Congratulations, that is the right answer. You scored 10 points, Team B. Now, Team C, are you ready for your question?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Here is your question. Rovers Cup is associated with which sports? Options are A. Hockey, B. Cricket, C. Football, and D. Tennis.
Okay. Sir, option D. Sir, Sir, option D.
D. Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
All right, computer, option D, tennis. Is this the right answer? No. The correct answer is C, football. All right. Now, Team D. Are you ready for your question in this round?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then here's your question. How many IPL finals have been played by Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Your options are A, 5, B, 7, C, 6, and D, 8. Team D, time is ticking away.
Sir, option C6.
Option C, 6. Computer, tell us if option C is the right answer. No. The correct answer is option B, 7. All right, with this, we have come to the end of our fourth round, which was our sports and awards round. Let us take a look at the sports ones.
Thank you, sir. After fourth round, that is the sports and awards round. In that fourth round, Team A could able to manage with 10 points. Team B also could able to manage with 10 points. Team C secured no points, that is 0 points. And Team D also secured no points, that is 0. And if we focus on the total points till the end of fourth round, Team A is able to manage with 30 points together after 4 rounds. Team B secured 20 points. Team C secured 40 points. And Team D secured 30 points. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. Now, teams, be ready for our fifth round. And do you know what is the fifth round today? It is a visual round. In this round, you're going to get 10 visuals. 8 visuals. All right. And you will have to look at the visual and answer the question. Each team is going to get 2. So we will start with Team A in the visual round. Team A, take a look at your screen and tell us, what do you see? Team A, here is your question. You have to tell who this Indian composer and singer is. Your options are A, Naushad, option B, Hamsalekha, and C, Hari Raja, and option D is O.P. Nayyar.
Ilya Raja, it's
Yes, team A. Option C. All right, computer, option C. Let us know if option C is the right answer. Congratulations. You scored 10 points. All right, Team B now. Here is your vision. Take a closer look and identify the mathematician. Option A, Rene Descartes. Option B, Pythagoras. Option C, how do you pronounce Euclid? And option D, none of these. Yes, Team B, tell us. Which option do you want to go with? Your time is ticking away. Just a second left.
Option D. Option D.
Option D, they say, none of these. Computer, tell us if option D is the right answer. No, option D would be wrong. Option E is the right answer. Team C, are you ready for your visual?
Yes, sir.
Here it is. You have to tell us who this sports person is. Your options are A, Prakash Padukone. Option B, Pankaj Advani. Option C, Michael Waugh. And option D is Kulain Gopi.
Option Option C.
Option C, Michael Waugh. Are you sure about your option?
Yes, sir.
Computer, tell us if option C is the right answer. No. Option E is the right answer. Prakash Padukone. Alright, Team D. Now this is your turn. And your visual is this. You have to identify this temple. Your options are A, Sun Temple. Option B, Swarna Temple, Swarna Mandir rather. Option C, Meenakshi Temple. And option D, Kamakshi Temple. D.
Sir, option C, Meenakshi Temple.
Option C, Meenakshi Temple. Is it your final answer?
Yes, sir.
Alright, computer. Let us see if option C is the right answer. Yes, congratulations. You scored 10 points. Team D. We have one more set of questions in this round. So we go back to Team E for their second question in the round. Team A, are you ready for it? Team A, are you ready for it? Alright, here is your question. You have to tell us who this freedom fighter is. Your options are V. Savarkar, B. Sukhdev, C. Rajguru, and D. Chandrasekhar Azad. Option A, V. Savarkar. Are you sure about your answer?
Yes, sir.
Alright, computer, let us know if option A is the right answer. Congratulations, Team A. You scored 10 points. All right, Team B, are you ready for your question? All right, Team B, here is your question. You have to tell us who this proud Indian woman is. Your options are A. Ashwani Angadi, option B. Arunima Sinha, option C. Arundhati Roy, and option D. Saina Nehwal. Yes, Team B, what do you say?
Option A, sir.
Option A, Aswani. All right, computer, let us see if option A is the right answer. No, that would be wrong. The correct answer will be option D. Now, Team C, are you ready for your question?
Yes, sir.
All right, here it is. You have to tell us to which country does this flag belong. Your options are A. Bhutan, option B. Bangladesh, option C. Sri Lanka, and option D. Nepal.
Sir, option D, Nepal.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
All right. Computer, tell us if option B is the right answer. Yes, absolutely right. You scored 10 points. Now we come to Team D. And Team D, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is your question. You have to tell us who this eminent woman IAS officer is. Your options are A. Smita Sabharwal, option B. Rajeshwari B, option C. Tina Davi, and option D. Srijana Gulula.
Maybe Rajeshwari B.
Yes, Team D.
Sir, option A, Smita Sabharwal.
Option A, Smita Sabharwal. Are you sure about this?
Yes, sir.
All right, computer, let us see if option A is the right answer. Yes, congratulations. Option A is the right answer. You scored 10 points. This was the last question in this round. Visual round, and we have come to the end of visual round, round 5. Before we move on to the last and the final round, let us take a look at this.
Maybe she took some award or something.
Thank you, sir. After completion of 5 rounds, Team A could be able to manage with 20 points, Team B 10 points, Team C 10 points, and Team D is able to manage with 20 points. And if we focus on the total marks till the end of this 5th round, that is visual round, till the end of from beginning to 5th round, Team A has secured altogether 50 points, Team B 30 points, Team C 50 points, Team D also 50 points. Three teams are moving with 50-50 points. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we move on to the last and the final round of today's quiz competition. This is the most important round. Let me explain to you the rules of this round. In this round, you will get 15 questions to answer, but only in 2 minutes' time. If you answer all 15 questions in 2 minutes' time, you will score 150 points. All right. So for every correct answer, you score 10. 2 minutes is the time, and 15 questions are what you're going to get. Is that clear? But to answer in this round, you will have to choose one team leader, the one who will speak for the whole team. So Team A, have you chosen your team leader who's going to speak in this round? All right. Team B, have you decided who's going to speak? All right. Team C, who will speak as the team leader? Team C, have you decided?
Yes, sir.
All right. Team D? All right. Okay, then. Let's begin with the rapid fire round. To begin the rapid fire round, we have the team leader of Team A with us. Are you ready? Team A? Are you ready, Team A?
Yes, sir.
All right. Speak clearly. It is very important that you speak clearly in this round. Okay. Let us begin. Your time starts now. Name the largest coffee growing country in the world.
India.
Incorrect. What is the national flower of Britain?
Pass.
When do we celebrate World Literacy Day?
Pass.
Who is the author of Harry Potter?
J.K. Rowling.
Correct. What is the currency of UK?
Dollars. Dollars.
Dollars, incorrect. New 500 rupee currency note has the image of which monument?
Pass.
Where is Dagan National Park located?
Pass.
Geeta Phogat belongs to which sport? Which field of sport?
Wrestling.
Wrestling, correct. ITB is equal to how many GBs? I repeat the question. 1 TB is equal to how many GBs?
1,000.
1000, correct. Which is the most abundant element in the universe?
Pass. Pass.
Pass. Who invented X-ray? The science of classification of organism is called
biology.
Time up, sir.
time up. That was your 2 minutes. Let us find out how many answers are correct.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, for this rapid fire round, that is round 6, team A is able to manage with 3 correct answers. So they have secured 30 points from this rapid fire, that is round 6. Over to you, sir.
All right. Team B, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's begin. Your time starts now. Which is the second largest river in India?
Pass.
Which is the capital of Mizoram?
Pass.
Murray is the well-known breed of Which planet has the shortest?
Can you repeat the question, sir?
Which planet has the shortest day? In which planet the duration of the day is the shortest? You have to name the planet. Pass. What is the lowest layer of atmosphere?
Stratosphere.
Incorrect. Okay, Statue of Unity belongs to which freedom fighter?
Pass.
Who had translated the national anthem of India into Bengali and English?
Pass.
Headquarters of ISRO is located in which city?
Delhi.
Incorrect. What is the name of the first Hindi-speaking robot?
Pass.
What is the full form of GPRS?
Time up, sir.
Time up. 2 minutes over. Let us see how many correct answers you've got.
Thank you, sir. Round 6, that is rapid fire round. Team B is able to manage with all incorrect answers. So no correct answers have received from Team B. So for this round 6, 0 points for Team B. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we move on to Team C. Team C, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here we begin. Your time starts now. What is the unit of electric power?
Watts. Max.
Watts. Correct. Which is the most malleable metal?
Sir, repeat it. Sir.
Which is the most malleable metal?
Gardening plant.
Incorrect. To get the immunity from which disease BCG vaccination is injected?
Pass.
What is the easternmost longitude of India?
Pass. Pass.
In which year was Kannada granted the status of a classical language by the central government?
(1973).
Incorrect. In which year Aishwarya Roy was crowned as Miss World?
19. Pass.
Pass. How many players are there in a hockey team?
11. 7.
11, correct. Panchatantra. Who wrote Panchatantra?
Pass.
Under existing Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana, the government of India will provide how much money to the farmers during the lockdown?
1,000. 6,000.
Incorrect. What is the capital city of France?
Time up, sir.
Time up. Let's see the scores, how many questions you have answered.
Thank you, sir. Yes. After 6th round, that is rapid fire round, Team C could able to manage with the 2 correct answers. So they have scored 20 points from round 6, that is rapid fire round. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
All right, now we come to Team D. Team D, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Your time starts now. Which state of India has the longest coastline?
Gujarat.
Correct. Sukanya Simriddhi account can be opened for a girl till the age of?
18.
Incorrect. Who was the first Indian scientist to win a Nobel Prize?
Abdul Kalam.
Incorrect. When do we celebrate National Navy Day?
Pass.
Which scientist said, "Give me a firm place to stand and I'll move the earth"?
Pass.
The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in which place of China?
Sir, Wuhan.
Wuhan. Who is the current HRD Minister of Indian government?
Don't know, sir. Pass.
Who is the present chairman of BCCI?
Pass.
Which Indian state celebrates Bihu as a folk dance?
Pass.
How many hearts can an octopus have?
8.
Incorrect. Who won the Global Teacher Award in December 2020?
Pass.
When do we celebrate the World Soil Day?
Pass.
How many members? All right, that's your time. Let us see how many questions you have answered correctly.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. My dear all participants, once we can have a glance on all the score sheet, complete score sheet. So first I would like to say scores of Team D. In sixth round, that is rapid fire round, Team D is able to manage with 2 correct answers. They have scored 20 points from round 6. Now we'll come to the grand total points after end of the complete all the 6 rounds. So Team B is able to manage with 30 points. Team C and D, both teams have scored 70 points each, and Team A is leading Team A, the winner of this competition is Team A with 8 points. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. My congratulations to all the participating schools for their brilliant performance today. It was no less than sensational. My congratulations to each and every one. Good luck and have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to the winner. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Christine. Now I would like to request Ms. Litty to deliver the vote of thanks.
A very warm noon to all of you. It is rightly said that no duty is more urgent than giving thanks, and we here at National Public School, Kalaburagi, cannot pull the curtains down without thanking you for your support and cooperation. May I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our guests of honor, Mr. Sanganesh Magankar, Mr. Sushil Bulbule, Mr. Suresh Bulbule, and Mr. Pritesh Tukaria for joining us today, and gracing the event. May I also thank the dignitaries, department chairs, faculty, and contestants from our participating schools for your patience, cooperation, and efforts. Thank you so much for joining us today. A special thanks to all quiz participants and, of course, the quiz master for your enthusiasm and coordination. I also extend my gratitude to the principal and staff of National Public School Kalaburagi for all your efforts online and offline. Once again, I extend a deep sense of gratitude to all of you. Thank you and have a great day.
Nobody. They're leaving.